Welcome back. You're tuned in to Closing Bell, and we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal newsroom. Well, it's that time of the day when Nimesh joins us to give us a sense about how things are shaping up in the markets. Well, Nimesh, a very, very good day. It appears the Nifty Bank is breaking out today. What's your reading of it?
So, that the Nifty Bank is breaking out, and that's because there's buying as well. So, that's part of my list as well. That first signs of some bit of buying interest is back in the financial names, and that in the large cap names. So that's helping the markets. But I guess from a technical point of view as well, we breached another important resistance level of 17,650 on the upside. So that's positive, and it's backed by some institutional buying as well. In fact, there is going to be a market at close basket buying at a leading FID. So maybe in the last half an hour, we'll see further volumes picking up on the upside. So that's overall feedback. As I said, but the good part is today's rally is led by financial. So a lot of the financial stocks are doing good. Of course, Kotak Bank has rallied on the back of that MSCI. But even outside of Kotak Bank, my sense is that there is strong accumulation happening within PSU banks as well as in the private bank stocks. That's overall feedback. I guess on the other side, technology is not supporting the market. But again, tomorrow and day after will be very crucial as TCS and Infosys both will report. So that will be very important from an IT index point of view. But I guess beyond numbers, Street will watch out for the FY24 guidance from all the IT names. So that's something to track, except for the Q4 earnings. So that's something. But broadly, a good day, momentum backed by FI buying, and the good part is leadership is back within the financial names. All
right, Nimesh, let's get to individual stocks then. We had a couple of large trades today, and I believe on Sagar Cement, one of the shrewdest investors have got in, who manages the fund out there. But that's a clearer trade, I believe. Tell us more about the other stocks as well.
As you rightly pointed out, you track Sagar Cement very closely. So there is a large block, nearly 4.5% equity changing hands. And I believe in terms of seller, one of the domestic mutual fund has sold out its entire stake. And after that, you've seen a big move in that stock. So the disclosures will be important. But yeah, in terms of seller, looks like a domestic mutual fund was a seller in today's block. So that's the first one. The second stock is Indus Tower. That stock in a good market is down 2%. Largely on back of sell flow, so the delivery volumes are going to be quite high. And remember, IFL analyst spoke to us in the morning and said that he expects Indus Tower to be out of the MSCI in the May review. So that's also putting pressure on Indus Tower today. The third stock is Manappuram Finance. Again, within the NBFC, this is one stock which is doing good, up 3% on good volumes, and there is buying interest as well. In fact, there was a Morgan Stanley note as well, putting out a tactical buy, largely on back of big move in the gold prices. They believe Q4 is going to be quite strong for Manappuram, and hence a big move in that stock as well today. And the last stock is Venus Pipes. Again, a small stock, but again, back in action today, good volumes. There were multiple blocks as well, nearly 3% equity exchange hands. And there, I believe, a leading HNI investor was a buyer in today's block. So disclosure, again, there will be important. But there was a interesting block where an HNI has bought 3% equity in the company.
We'll watch for the buys and sellers on that one. Nimesh, thank you very much for highlighting